In this lecture, I am going to give introduction about finite automata with outputs. Finite automata is a collection of 5 tuples which consist of Q, sigma, transition, Q0 and final state. Where Q is a set of state including Q0 as a start state and F is final state, sigma input alphabet as well as transition state. In a finite automata, acceptability is decided by reading the input string. If we get final state, then the string is accepted, and if we do not get final state, then the string is rejected. That means there is no need of output for the finite automata. Now I am going to introduce the new model where the output can be chosen from some other alphabet. An automata that accept input string and translate them into output string is called as an automata with output. There are 2 types of automata with output. One is more machine, another one is melee machine. In more machine, output depends only on state, that is only on present state, whereas in melee machine, output depends on state, also input at any instance of time. And this more machine consists of 6 tuples. They are Q, sigma, del, transition function, lambda and Q0. Q is a finite non-empty set of state. Sigma, that is input symbol or input alphabet. Del, that is output alphabet. This is transition function which maps Q into sigma tends to Q. That means present state into present input will be getting next state. Lambda, that is output function which maps as Q tends to del. That means output always depends on present state. Next is Q0, that is initial state. Same like more machine, melee machine also have 6 tuples. They are Q, that is finite non-empty set of state, sigma, that is non-empty set of input alphabet or input symbol, del, that is output alphabet, and this is transition function which maps as Q into sigma tends to Q. That means present state into present input will be getting next state. Lambda, that is output function. This output function maps as Q into sigma tends to del. That means output depends on present state and present inputs. And Q0 is initial state. In next video, I will be giving example for more machine and melee machine.